Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to lock the screen on Lenovo Legion. There are actually three ways of doing that. The first one is closing the lid, but when you close the lid and reopen it, then sometimes it will not ask you for the password and sometimes it will. But maybe you want to have the lid opened. Then there are two other ways to do that. The first one is clicking on the power on the start button, then power and lock. Or instead, you can click on Windows and L on your keyboard. And this is the third way. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.